Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up voice control in iOS 18. So I just tap on my iPhone settings and a little bit scroll down and find accessibility. So just get inside and again little bit scroll down in physical motor. You will just find voice control and just turn it on. So voice control allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device 18 even when you are on calls. So here is you can just add the command in this like this basic navigations and dedication and much more. You can also import custom commands and also create a command, but I will just go back and I will just show you a simple and basic how to use voice control. So just turn it on and now my hands is uh, up on my phone and I will just on my voice I will just say go home and you will see it's working. And when I was say tap settings and it's again, and I will just say go back, okay, go home. So this is how to basic use on iOS device of voice control. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.